going to show you the seam guide foot. So this foot has got markings on it in red. There is a 1/4 inch marking, a 3/8 of an inch, half inch, and 5/8 of an inch marking. So you've got different guides for different seam allowances. On the edge of the foot, you've got a metal guide. So you place the fabric on the edge of the guide, and then you'll get your perfect seam allowance or on the markings that you want it to be. So if you're wanting a 5/8 of an inch seam allowance for garment making or 1.5 centimetres, we can take off the foot and place the seam guide foot onto your machine. It just clips in. Take your fabric, place the edge of your fabric on the guide, put it down, and just keep your guide and your fabric together. So a lot of people want to watch their needle, but when you're watching the needle, the fabric moves around. So if you just keep your eye on the fabric and the guide, you'll keep it straight, and it'll give you your 5/8 of an inch seam allowance. So the guide to the needle is a 5/8 of an inch or 1.5 if you are in metric. Just stop the machine there. And if you're wanting a 1/4 inch seam, if you move the edge of the fabric across to the first red marker and put your foot down, it'll give you a 1/4 inch. So again, keep your eye on the red marker and the edge of the fabric to give you a perfect 1/4 inch seam. And that is the clear seam guide foot.